Well, I haven't done any rainbow testing in a while, so I thought I would do some thick doormat testing with some flour and sand. I have my 1997 Rainbow D4C SE with several different nozzles. So I've got the newer PE one, I've got the older rectangular one, and why not, because it has it, just frankly a straight suction, or maybe I should say straight airflow, bare floor tool. This one I actually like using. It's very lightweight and it's got some very interesting bristle patterns right there. Allows some dirt through, but also gets some good agitation. So all three on the trigger hose mainly, so I can turn this one on and off easier rather than yanking the hose out. All right, so let's see what it does. All right, first on the chopping block, got the PE nozzle, 33 CFM. Well, that's not too bad. Gotta see if we can dig a little bit in here, so I'm gonna turn the bristles on. Yep, that got it. So, that's a clean sweep with the bristles on. Here we go. Straight airflow. And most of it. Let's turn the bristles on. There we go. Got a little stubborn stuff right there. Alright. Time for a costume change. So that was pretty good, but the PE nozzle needed the bristles going. Let's see if I can make this thing stand up without falling over. It's really hilarious when it falls over right on top of your head. I'm trying to make a video. All right, let's reset with the older nozzle. This one has, I think it's like 41 or 42 CFM. It's a little bit more than the other one. And I have the carpet selector set on low. So we'll try it first with the brush roll off. And if need be, we'll turn it back on. Got most of it. And that got the rest of it. Go over here now. Alright, that got most of it. And that certainly got the rest of it. Now we go non-powered. And if you're careful, I know I'm using the powered hose with this. If you're careful, this will make a good connection in here. If you're not careful, then you'll have some leaks. So I'm going to be careful. I have the other hoses, by the way. I just wanted to keep the same hose. Be consistent as possible. So how do you think the rainbow's doing so far? Pretty good. Need some agitation here and there to get the difficult stuff up. But they work. I have not measured the airflow for the non-powered tool here, for the bare floor tool. I don't know what it would be if I had to guess. Maybe 50 CFM or something. I'm not sure. I have not measured it. All right, let's make sure we got a good tight connection. No leaks. Yeah, there we go. Right, here we go. Yeah, got that in one pass just going forward. Didn't have to do the backward pass. Same thing here. There, look at that. I don't even need to go backwards. I'll do it anyway, but there's no reason to because there's nothing left to pick up. Okay. Let's try this. Here we go. There. One pass. Oh, tiny little bit. Pretty insignificant. And that got the rest. And I don't really see any debris bunched up in here. So, yeah, this is really good. So it seems like for, well, this type of flooring, I don't know, mat, whatever you want to call it, that something like this picks up very well. Don't need a huge amount of CFM. Really does a fabulous job, and the power nozzles just in general struggled a little bit more with it, but for something like this, if you have this kind of mat, I'd recommend this floor tool right here. It's one of my favorite floor tools. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.